Alright, just a quick view of our transmission here. The internal area is pretty nasty. Just a quick look beforehand. The exterior as well. I did give it a quick wipe down with a rag just to see how bad it's going to be to get it off. We're going to work on that, so just a quick look and we'll come right back when it's clean. Alright, so I spent about 45 minutes initial wipe down, try to get as much of the loose crud as you can see out of the lower part, and then wipe it down again, and then try to spray it down with a little bit of parts cleaner just to get the surface area cleaned up. Used a few items here to clean down, scrape into those hard to reach spots, a couple brass little brushes, and then this little dollar store KitchenAid little component that it's probably seen better days, but it got in there and got some of that stuff out. It's hard to reach. Looks a lot better. Don't look too bad. Not perfect. If it wasn't like 10 degrees outside and, I don't know, say 4 o'clock in the afternoon instead of a couple, like 1 o'clock in the morning on a Thursday night, probably be a lot better. But for an initial cleaning, I think that looks great. So I'm gonna go with it, and we'll work on the exterior, get that cleaned up. So we're gonna move on. Might take a break for now. It's getting kind of late. But we're gonna eventually get to the block and then step over to the installation of the stainless steel braided line for the hydraulics.